In this fast-paced age of information and technology, the way that we do business is constantly changing. With every innovation, businesses are having to rethink their way of operating just to stay ahead of the game. Yet, as we strive for excellence in business, there's no exact science to ensure that we achieve it. Hello, everyone. I'm James Brown, and welcome to Business and Beyond. Today, we'll take a look at inspiring success stories and groundbreaking ideas designed to help companies, both big and small, foster growth and surpass their goals. In this episode of Business and Beyond, it's no longer business as usual.
An oil spill, no matter how large or small, can negatively impact the environment and cost a lot of time, money, and energy to clean up. Oil, fuel, and other lubricants used in today's industry unavoidably will spill into the environment. The cost of such cleanups for companies in today's industry is becoming more costly, with our better understanding of how these spills affect our environment. Millions of dollars are spent each year in cleanups, creating bad publicity and unneeded expenses to companies in today's world. The only way to prevent spill and environmental contamination is to contain the equipment with oil or other contaminants from escaping into the environment. Connecticut-based Solidification Products International offers several products for use in state-of-the-art oil spill containment systems. With the use of SPI's products, containment can be cost-effective and ensure spill containment into today's sensitive environment. In addition to effectively trapping oil, SPI materials will chemically react with the oil, preventing any from being discharged from their oil spill containment systems and products.
What's unique about us is that our systems allow rainwater to flow through, but if there is an oil spill, the oil is going to come down into the media, form a seal, and then back up, preventing any oil from escaping a contained area. Our petrol barrier system is installed around larger transformers and oil tanks. It's a vertical system that is put into typically round sumps anywhere from 18 inches to 48 inches in diameter. They allow the rainwater to passively discharge the containment area, but in the event of a spill, will seal on contact. The nice thing about the petrol barrier systems is they're virtually maintenance free, so personnel that have to go into the containment area don't have to worry about rainwater and backing up. They don't have to worry about sheen on the water or any standing water whatsoever. The petrol barrier is going to discharge the water and stop an oil spill.
For years, companies have used pool and pump systems that create several other conditions that result in a maintenance or management headache, sometimes actually leading to an oil spill. This method is very costly even when oil is not present, due to the labor-intensive steps that need to be taken to ensure clean stormwater discharge. SPI has developed a cost-effective containment system that provides 100% containment without requiring pumps and labor-intensive systems that will assure complete oil containment. This new technology allows direct discharge of stormwater to the surrounding environment. No pool and pump is required. SPI has developed petro plugs, petro pipes, and petro barriers, barriers that allow stormwater to pass harmlessly out to the environment while absorbing any hydrocarbons that may leak or be spilled into the containment area. In the event of a spill, the SPI products will seal the drainage system, preventing the oil from getting out into the environment and assuring complete containment.
We have over 1,500 petrol barrier installations across the United States. In not all situations can we use a petrol barrier because of poor drainage in certain areas around the country. So to replace that, what we do is we use our petrol pipe. And what the petrol pipe does is it's allowed to be cast into a concrete wall or a earthen berm, and the water will drain through just as it does through the petrol barrier. But once again, if there's an oil spill, the oil is going into the petrol pipe and it's going to seal and back up into the containment area. The petrol plugs are for floor drains. They're to be inserted in floor drains around industrial applications and elevator shafts and warehouses, pretty much anywhere where you can have a potential oil spill. Similar to the petrol barrier and the petrol pipe, petrol plug allows the rainwater and discharge water to flow through, but if there's an oil spill, it's going to seal on contact, preventing the oil from going into city sewer systems or into oil water separators. It's better to clean it up at the source rather than letting it escape and having a much costlier expense to clean it up afterwards.
Water covers over 141,600,000 square miles, or 72% of the Earth's surface. This, coupled with the need for fuel and product delivery, it is inevitable that an industry near waterways increases the risk of a catastrophic leak into our environment if the fuel is not properly contained. For years, SPI products have been used by major utility companies and various industries, including global hazardous waste and remediation, without incident. Jeff Kitchens is the Vice President of Tank Engineering and Management, which is known as the Southeast's foremost leader in above-ground storage tank engineering, design, inspection, and repair.
In Florida, we have over 8,000 lakes and a very shallow aquifer. So therefore, most oil-filled equipment and storage tanks are located near sensitive waterways. Therefore, the tank owner is under immense pressure to deal with his stormwater discharge in accordance with environmental regulations. The SPI product line has given us an affordable and reliable method of dealing with stormwater discharge without any mechanical or moving parts, which have the tendency to fail over time. For example, here at Laketon Electric, we at Tank Engineering and Management designed a concrete containment area for 2 of their transformers utilizing SPI's Petropipe to manage their stormwater discharge.
If you would like more information on Solidification Products International and to find out how you can stop oil spills before they spread, log online to www.oilbarriers.com.
We hope you've enjoyed the features that we've brought you today. More importantly, we hope you go away feeling empowered and inspired to take your business to the next level. Join us again next time on Business and Beyond.